Struggling with belly fat. How to use garlic for weight loss. Are you tired of stubborn belly fat? Want to know a natural way to shed those extra pounds? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the amazing benefits of garlic for weight loss. We'll discuss different ways to incorporate garlic into your daily routine, from simple drinks to delicious recipes. So, stay tuned and let's get started on your weight loss journey. Number 5. Raw garlic and warm water. To start your day right, peel a clove of garlic and crush it. Let it sit for a bit. Then, mix it with warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. The warm water will feel good, and the garlic can help your body to lose belly fat in many ways. Number 4. Garlic and lemon juice. If you don't like the taste of garlic, try mixing it with lemon. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and add a crushed garlic clove. This drink has two things that can help you lose weight. The lemon is full of vitamin C, which can help to burn belly fat. Number 3. Garlic and honey. If you don't like the taste of raw garlic, you can try mixing it with honey. Just crush a garlic clove, add a spoonful of honey, and mix it with warm water. The honey will make the garlic taste better and also has its own health benefits. Honey can help you lose belly fat, but you should only eat a little bit of it. Number 2. Garlic and green tea. Green tea with garlic is a great drink to help you lose belly fat. Green tea has special things that help your body burn fat faster. Garlic makes this drink even better because it also helps burn fat. So, if you want to lose belly fat, try drinking this tasty and healthy drink. Number 1. Garlic and salt. If you want to lose weight, you can try eating raw garlic. It helps your body burn fat faster. To make it taste better, you can peel and chop a clove of garlic, then add a little baking soda and salt. This will help mask the strong taste and help you to lose belly fat. So that's it for today's video on how to use garlic for weight loss. Did you know about these garlic drinks? Which ones are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We'll be back soon with more health and fitness tips. Stay with us until then.